Hey there, gearheads. Let's talk cars. Whether you're a fan of classic models or the latest high-tech vehicles, there's something magical about these machines. They capture our imagination and fuel our dreams. They're more than just steel and rubber. Each part, from the smallest bolt to the largest engine block, plays a crucial role in bringing these vehicles to life. They represent freedom, adventure, and the open road. Imagine the wind in your hair, the thrill of the journey, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Cars are our ticket to explore the world and experience new adventures. But have you ever wondered about the magic happening under the hood? It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the intricate dance of components working together seamlessly. It's a symphony of engineering, a ballet of moving parts working in perfect harmony. Pistons, crankshafts, and camshafts all moving in unison to create the power that propels us forward. Understanding how your car works can deepen your appreciation for these incredible machines. When you know the effort and precision that goes into every detail, you start to see your car in a whole new light. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a curious driver, join me as we pop the hood and explore the fascinating world of automotive mechanics. We'll dive into the history, the technology, and the future of cars. Get ready to learn some fun facts and gain a new respect for the engineering marvels we call cars. From the early days of the Model T to the electric and autonomous vehicles of tomorrow, there's so much to discover. So buckle up and let's hit the road together on this exciting journey into the heart of automotive engineering. Let's start with the heart of your car, the engine, a marvel of engineering. Think of it as a miniature power plant generating immense power. It takes fuel and air, mixes them together, and creates controlled explosions, producing energy. These explosions push pistons up and down, like a cyclist pumping the pedals with force. This motion spins a crankshaft, which ultimately turns the wheels, propelling the car. It's a beautifully orchestrated dance of energy conversion. Pretty cool, right? Fascinating indeed. Now, let's talk about transmissions. They're like the brains of your car's motion. The engine spins at thousands of revolutions per minute. Your wheels can't handle that kind of speed directly. The transmission acts as a gearbox, adjusting the engine's power to match your speed and driving conditions. It shifts gears, allowing your car to accelerate smoothly and efficiently. Manual transmissions give you more control over gear changes. Automatic transmissions do the work for you. Either way, it's all about finding the perfect gear for every driving situation. Next up, brakes. They're your car's best friend when it comes to safety. When you hit the brake pedal, you're activating a hydraulic system. This system uses fluid to create pressure. The pressure pushes brake pads against metal discs or rotors attached to the wheels. This friction slows down the rotation of the wheels, bringing your car to a stop. Properly functioning brakes are crucial for safe driving. Regular maintenance and inspections are a must. Section 5. A smooth ride understanding suspension systems. Ever wonder how your car handles bumps and dips in the road? That's the magic of the suspension system. It's a network of springs, shock absorbers, and linkages. This system absorbs shocks from the road, keeping your tires in contact with the pavement. It ensures a smoother ride and improves handling. Different cars have different suspension setups. Sports cars prioritize handling. Luxury cars focus on comfort. The right suspension setup depends on the car's purpose. Section 6. The Symphony of Motion. How it all works together. So, we've covered the engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension. Now, imagine them all working together in perfect harmony. That's the beauty of a car. The engine provides the power. The transmission manages that power. The brakes control your speed. The suspension keeps you grounded. It's a complex dance of mechanics, but it all boils down to getting you from point A to point B safely and efficiently. Section 7. The future of car mechanics. The world of cars is always evolving. Electric cars are becoming more popular. Self-driving technology is on the horizon. But even with these advancements, the fundamental principles of mechanics remain the same. Understanding how your car works, even at a basic level, is empowering. It helps you appreciate the ingenuity of automotive engineering and it can make you a more informed and confident driver. So keep learning, keep exploring, and keep that passion for cars alive. Section 8. The joy of knowing your ride. There's a special kind of satisfaction that comes from working on your own car. It's not just about saving money, although that's a nice bonus. It's about the sense of accomplishment and the bond you form with your vehicle. Whether it's changing the oil or tackling a more complex repair, getting your hands dirty can be incredibly rewarding. Each task, no matter how small, teaches you something new about your car and yourself. It's a chance to connect with your car on a deeper level. You start to notice the little things, like the way the engine hums or the feel of the steering wheel. These details become more than just parts of a machine. They become part of your driving experience. To understand its quirks and appreciate its strengths. Every car has its own personality, and by working on it, you get to know it intimately. You learn to anticipate its needs and understand its limits. And let's be honest, there's nothing quite like the feeling of fixing something yourself. It's a rush of pride and satisfaction that can't be matched. You look at your car and know that you made it better with your own two hands. So don't be afraid to get under the hood and learn a thing or two. Start with the basics and gradually take on more challenging tasks. There are plenty of resources available, from online tutorials to local workshops. You might be surprised at what you're capable of. With each repair, you'll gain confidence and skills that will serve you well in the future. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you can take care of your car no matter what comes your way. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and dive in. The joy of knowing your ride is just a repair away. Embrace the journey, and you'll find that the road ahead is smoother and more enjoyable. After all, a well-maintained car is not just a mode of transportation, it's a trusted companion on all your adventures. Happy driving! Section 9. Beyond the Basics resources for car enthusiasts. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of car mechanics, there's a wealth of information available. Online forums, YouTube channels, and even local community colleges offer courses and resources for all skill levels. Don't be afraid to ask questions, get involved in car clubs, and never stop learning. The more you know, the more you'll appreciate the incredible machines we call cars. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to understanding your ride. Section 10. Keep on cruising. Well, folks, that's a quick look at the mechanical marvels that keep us moving. These intricate systems, often hidden beneath the sleek exterior, are the heart and soul of our vehicles. They transform fuel into motion, turning the mundane act of driving into an exhilarating experience. From the roar of the engine to the smooth stop of the brakes, every component plays a vital role. The engine's power is harnessed through a series of complex mechanisms, each working in perfect harmony. The brakes, often taken for granted, are a marvel of engineering, ensuring our safety with every press of the pedal. So, next time you're behind the wheel, take a moment to appreciate the engineering symphony happening beneath you. Feel the power of the engine as you accelerate, and the precision of the brakes as you come to a stop. It's a dance of metal and fuel, orchestrated to perfection. And if you ever get the chance to peek under the hood, don't hesitate. You'll find a world of innovation and craftsmanship. Each part, no matter how small, has a purpose. The pistons, the spark plugs, the belts and hoses, they all work together to create the magic of motion. You might just discover a whole new level of respect for the amazing machines we call cars. These vehicles are more than just a means of transportation. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. From the earliest models to the latest innovations, cars have always been at the forefront of technological advancement. Keep on cruising and never stop exploring the world of automotive wonders. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a good drive, there's always something new to discover. So hit the road, feel the wind in your hair, and let the journey unfold. The world of cars is vast and full of surprises waiting for you to explore.